Hi, this is Mrs. MacPhee, and it is Monday, October 19th, and this is a problem for my Common Core 6 classes, my periods 3 and 5. We've been working on fraction operations, and your improvement with multiplication has been amazing. You're doing such a great job. Really proud of you with that. Some of you still need a little bit of extra help with division, so I wanted to do one of the homework problems for you tonight. We talked about by dividing fractions, just like when we add and subtract, it really helps to make sense of the fraction if we give them a common denominator. So that way, they're kind of speaking the same language. Instead of 2/3 and 4/5, let's think of them both with the same denominator. And if you ever get stuck, just multiply them together. 3 times 5 is 15. In this case, it's also your least common denominator. It won't always be, but that's okay because it's always a great place to get started. We might just have to simplify a little bit once we get to the end of the problem. So once we get a common denominator, we need to make equivalent fractions. So if I change my 2/3 into something out of 15, I have to change my numerator and denominator by the same factor. So 3 times 5 changed my denominator to 15. I need to change my numerator by the same amount. 2 times 5 gives me 10. 2/3 and 10/15 are the same number. We're just giving them a different name. 4/5. 5 times 3 changes my denominator from 5 to 15. But if I change the denominator, I have to change the numerator so the fraction stays the same. 4 times 3 is 12. All I did was take 4/5 and multiply it by 3. So the value is the same, and now we have the same denominator, which is going to make the division super easy. And from here, a lot of you are probably like, done, I see the answer. That's how wonderful and easy it is to divide with a common denominator. Let's think about it. 15 divided by 15. Well, any number divided by itself is 1. 15 divided by 15 is 1. So I'm left with 10 divided by 12. And instead of writing that side to side, I can write that up and down. 10 divided by 12. A fraction is also a division problem. So instead of 10 divided by 12, I can write it as 10/12. However, we can divide both of those by 2 to get a final answer of 5/6. Change your denominators to a common denominator. Whatever you multiply the denominator by, multiply the numerator by, so the fraction value stays the same. 4 times 3 and 5 times 3. The denominators then are the same, and any number divided by itself is 1. So we're left with 10 divided by 12, which I can write this way, but I can also write as a fraction, and then simplify your fraction. I hope this helps with your homework. Keep working hard. I'm really proud of your hard work, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.